It's recording.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
We are coming up Mount Eagle or Mont Eagle, depends on who you are and how you pronounce it, but when we came up last year in Gabe, we had a very hard time making this. We're knocking things over. It's pretty though, isn't it? It's pretty. So Gabby Grace is doing pretty good, praise the Lord. So hey guys, let's try to get it where we can, see. You have to come over here. Or right here, see? It's better lighting. So we are here in Nashville, where we're in Goodlettsville, in the Grand Ole RV Resort, and we decided spontaneously to rent a car. Since we don't pull a car, we don't tow one, we're gonna rent one today for my birthday.
Gonna go to Nashville for Julie's birthday.
We're gonna go and check it out and just see what's there. We've never been to downtown Nashville, so we're gonna go check it out.
Maybe we can see Hank in a museum or something.
I don't know. There's John creeping. Hey John. Hey. So the people are gonna come pick us up from Enterprise, and then we'll be headed out. So here we are in our rental car. I gotta remember to look at you right there. So hey John, here's John back there, and we have no idea where we're going or what we're doing, right Johnny?
Yeah, we do. We're going to Nashville.
We're going to Nashville. We're hoping to find a good coffee shop and walk around a little bit before it starts storming tonight, this afternoon. So yeah, let's just see what we can get into. We'll just see. Well, we're in Nashville, downtown Nashville, and we are headed to the Frothy Monkey. Yeah. Where we at? Johnny?
Do what?
Where we at?
We're just monkeying around in Knoxville.
Around.
I mean, not Knoxville. Nashville. Nashville.
For whose birthday?
For guess whose?
Guess whose? John's doing some work.
It's very good Wi-Fi here.
Oh, good.
Already 19.
I
I don't know. It's holding the Gibson though.
Yeah, guitar player, famous guitar player.
It's recording.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so we just, and my phone is shaky because I'm, don't have my selfie stick, but, so we just left downtown Nashville, went down Broadway. Somebody said, go down Broadway and watch the crazies, and that's about it. That's about accurate. That's about accurate. What'd you think about Nashville, John?
Yeah, I don't like it.
Yeah, it's not really our kind of atmosphere. I mean, we love music, but I think for the most part, Nashville is, and most of you guys probably already know this, but see, we've never been to Nashville. And so for the most part, I think Nashville is nightlife, bar scene, that kind of thing. The smell of alcohol was just like crazy. But, and that's not really our speed. We just, you know, we like music, and we just don't like all of that crazy stuff, you know. We're deemed from that, so.
That's the man they used to be.
Mm-hmm.
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
So I'm not saying that country music is bad, or
yeah.
I mean, even the people are bad. I just, you know, I'm getting a little older now, and I'm slowing down a little bit.
Yeah, we need to hold us steady, but yeah. So we've seen it, we've done it. We can check it off our bucket list. There we go. Next time we come up here, we want to go to the Grand Ole Opry.
Yeah, the Grand Ole Opry I'd really like to go to.
That would have been really nice. So hopefully when we come back, we'll be able to do that. So we're going to go grab a bite to eat, and there's going to be some storms coming in, some rain and stuff, so we're going to get our food and go back to the RV and eat birthday cake and icing for my birthday. So yeah. So we'll see you guys later.
But
if you're still breathing, there's still hope. Amen. So this is one of the things we do on the road that the Lord has us do, and John is taking a love bag over to that man over there. I don't know if you can see him or not, but when we're led, we give out these love bags because Jesus said that when you give to the least of these, you give to him. And so John just went and gave him one. So Lord, we just pray that will be a blessing. Father, we ask that you would just bring deliverance and salvation to that man, Lord. Father, help him to discover your love for him, Lord, in Jesus' name.